Hey y'all, I have been trying to upload a video since yesterday. Excuse me. This should have been part 2, but for some reason part 1, I have um so much stuff on my phone that I have to delete that. Part 1 of this Dollar General video is not uploading. No worries, as soon as I delete what's on my phone, I will upload that. So let's make this part 1, and once the other one is uploaded, I'll put that as part 2. So I don't want to hear nobody say there is nothing in the stores. This sale has 90% off, has been going on since Tuesday. Today is Saturday. It has been going on since Tuesday. Today is Saturday. All these candles right here, I found these in one store. As a matter of fact, let me show you all what I found in. I went to one store and I found this lantern. I found one of them in one store. One of them in one store and 2 in another store. All these candles you're looking at right here came from one store. One store. I was shocked when I walked in, and as a matter of fact, it was blended. It blended in so well with the regular candles. You would have to get on your knees. You would have to bend. Hey, you got to do what you got to do. So as I said, these were all at one store. With those are my Christmas gifts. Okay, with these, what you call it, table decor, these that were $24, which is now $2.40. They were on the top shelf. I wasn't looking for this because I was almost certain I would not find these. Yes, 4 of them were sitting on top, and I'm like, should I leave it and go back? I'm like, no. If I leave it and wait until it pennied out, I would not find it. I know that for a fact. Okay, so these were $2.40. These trays, it's like it have that distressed wood on the outside. This was, I believe, $1.20. These harvest signs, these were 60 cents. This pumpkin canvas was 50 cents. These pumpkin sugar cookies candles, these were 10 cents. This, let me move this out the way. This little vase, it have these pretty flowers on it, but when I look at the leaves, I'm like, this look like fall. This was 50 cents, but it says F21, which means that was from last year. One store I found, let me see. In one store I found those 6 mugs. As a matter of fact, as I walk in the store, they were on a table that says 90% off, and I'm like, nobody want these cups, these mugs? These were 30 cents. I took all 6. This one came from the store where I found the candles. This one was also 30 cents. What I believe is that a lot of stuff, because this says S22. Shouldn't it be spring 22? Or maybe that's when it came in. I don't know. And this one, yellow one that says Be Bold, that didn't have a tag. I'm not sure if it was 30 cents, but the cashier gave it to me for 30 cents. It could have been a penny, who knows. These vases, I found 2. These were, and I love these colors, they're so pretty. These were 60 cents. These were 60 cents. The yellow one was 60 cents. The burgundy one was 60 cents. Those two big mamas back there were $1.20. And the little babies right there, those were 60 cents. This green, I have a green and I have a white one or a clear one. Okay, it's right there. These were all 40 cents. These, I gave up on these. I didn't know I would find these. These were in the original box it came in, and it was just sitting on the shelf where the Christmas items were. Like it was just there waiting for me. I'm not too keen on this smell. I haven't smelled the sugar churros. I guess that smells good. But this one that says Porch Given, this one smells amazing. This one didn't have white pomegranate. Okay, I haven't smelled that one. This one, I guess, is the churros. This didn't have a cover on it, but I still got it for 10 cents. Put it in my wax warmer. This thingamajig right here, this was 50 cents. This one right here, 50 cents. So let's come to the candles. Let's get comfortable. So this candle that says Blue Ridge, you have to look good on these candles, guys, to see that it's not even focusing. You see where it says Perfect Harvest? You have to look good. You got to have on like 10 pair of eyes to see. So this was $7. So this was 70 cents. What I realize is that if it have a bold yellow with no, like say, you know, sometimes it's yellow, but it might have a purple dot in the yellow. No. As long as it have a bold yellow, chances are it's on clearance. So this was 70 cents. I was happy to find this. These are cranberry jalapeno jelly. These were what? These were 70 cents also. I got 2 of those. This that says spice apple cinnamon. That was it 60? Okay, it was 50 cents. Oh, you see what I'm talking about now? You see like how you have the, okay, I guess what I said is not true then, because this have a dot in it, like a, what color dot is that? Like a dark yellow dot? I guess not. So this was 50 cents. This is the apple. This is the pumpkin, 50 cents also. This is the maple caramel, 50 cents also. These little Pikes Peak. Come on. Okay, there you go. Perfect Harvest. These were 20 cents. I got 2 of those. Okay. 1. This is another. This is Pike's Pear. This was also 20 cents. Here I have this Harvest Pumpkin and Gourds. This was 40 cents. This one that says Harvest Cookies, 40 cents. Here's another Pikes Peak, 20 cents. This Apples and Acorns. This was 50 cents. I only found 1. These that says welcome to, let me bring it closer. That says welcome to our pumpkin patch. Happy Harvest, Amazing Amber. This was 60 cents. And I have whatever scent this is. I have 2 for $6 in that scent. Then I saw this one. This is Sweetie Pie. This was also 60 cents. Happy Harvest. This one that says Butter Pumpkin, Perfect Harvest. This was 50 cents, and I like the different colors in there. Let's see what else though. Okay, I'll show you that one already. This one that says Hello Fall, Weekend Flannel. This smells amazing. This was 40 cents. What else am I missing? Oh, I left, let me see if I covered everything. Yes, I did, and I left. I saved the best for last. Now, I was trying to scan anything, anything that have caramel on it because I'm on the hunt for the Gerard Ghirardelli's. I think it's sea salt caramel. It's in the blue. It's in the blue wrapper. I'm looking for those. I cannot find it anywhere because those should be a penny. But when I saw this and it says Harvest Caramel, I scanned it, guys. I thought this would be whatever the regular price was on this, minus the 90% off. But this was free. This was a penny. This was a penny. So if you all see this in your store, it have the fall leaves on it, limited edition, Werther's Original. This was a penny. This doesn't expire until April 2023. And let me show you all the barcode. Got it? This was a penny. A penny, penny, penny. So these are some of the items that I purchased. Oh, this sign that says, I am so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers and of Green Gables. This was regular price for this was $10, so that was $1. Yeah, so as I said, this is part one, because part one that's originally part one will not upload, so I have to take a lot of stuff off my phone, or send it to the SD card, and then I could actually upload that video. So get on out there, because I remember I went to one store and whatever was there that I wanted I took, and I'm like, that was it Thursday I went there, Thursday evening after work I went there, and I whatever they had that I wanted I took, and I left the rest. I went back. Did I go there yesterday? I went back yesterday, and things that weren't out were out when I went there Friday, and I got them again. And today again I went back, and that's where I found all of these mugs, and these weren't out. What I'm looking for to I haven't gotten any fall ribbons. I'm looking for ribbons. There's something else I'm also looking for. There's something else I'm also on the hunt for. I cannot remember, but yeah. So with that being said, guys, this is part one. Part two will be uploading shortly, hopefully. Just let me know what you guys got. If you score anything, don't give up. Just keep going, because as I mentioned, they will have stuff in the back that haven't reached to the front of this, or haven't reached to the sales floor. And as they are going through stuff to get Christmas items out, you will find these items. I know these are going to penny out on Tuesday, but as I mentioned, I could not wait, because if I had waited for that to penny out, I would not get any. And don't be scared when it comes onto the candles, don't be scared to go look high, look low. Don't be scared to dig between the candles, because trust me, it's all mixed up. It's all mixed up. So you have to know what you're looking for. As you could see some of these items here, and if you check other YouTubers channel who do Dollar General haul, you will see that, you'll see, other stuff that I don't have. Just be on the lookout for them. All right. With that being said, guys, take care, and I'll catch you all in another video. Bye.